Did you get it? We've been up for half an hour now because the fire alarm in here just keeps beeping. So John took it down, took out the battery. I'm not talking to you. John took it down, took out the battery, and it's still beeping. There's not another one, that's it. Oh my god. Now we can't get it back in. And that's not even the one that's chirping. Okay, we have 15 minutes until breakfast opens, so I'm gonna fill you in on the hot goss in chicken. So John filled me in yesterday. So Max, turns out he had to fire one of the bartenders. Ugh. So now he's only down to like himself running the bar, which is like crazy. He's working like 18 hours a day, and I guess that upset Robin and that upset everybody else, and everyone was so upset about this whole thing. So anything else? Am I missing anything else?
That's pretty much it.
Yeah. I mean, there's like 8 people in this town. Wait, who was the guy that you were talking to? Sam?
Yeah, the road agent.
Sam, the road agent. He was also very upset by all of this. And Robin's husband was also very, like, everybody got upset about this whole thing. And so, yeah, we met Robin yesterday. She runs the post office. And she's great. She loves to talk. It's awesome. And she has this cute dog, Zeke, and she brought Zeke in. Yeah, it's a very small town, but this place is just so, what's a good word for it? It's unique. It is, what's a good word to describe chicken? John?
What?
What's a good word to describe chicken?
Unique, that's a good one.
Yeah. So our Wi-Fi worked for like 5 minutes yesterday. That was fun, but it's fine. Honestly, it wasn't even that bad. I had to pee like twice last night. It was so cold and so dark and so smelly. Compost toilets, but like this is worth it. It's so worth it. So worth it. Here's where they have the Chicken Stomp Music Festival. That is the whole thing. So we went back to the store to see Max, and I cashed in our coupons and we got these chicken mugs. And now we went to see Robin at the post office, and she told us that Tisha's daughter, Barbara, still is here, and we're gonna go meet her. She told us how to get to her cabin. Oh my god, this road is like crazy. And so she said she loves visitors, so we're gonna go see Tisha's daughter, which is crazy. She also said that like she was very clear on like don't go to the old schoolhouse because they really don't like that. It's private property. The internet lied, but we get to meet her daughter, which is pretty freaking cool. This is the road. God. Also, this is the copy of Tisha that I got yesterday. It was the last one that Max had in the store, and it's like it's not in print anymore, this copy. So have you enjoyed yourself in chicken?
I'm gonna be sad to leave.
You remember 2 weeks ago when you said that's a waste of time, I'm not going there?
Yeah.
But here we are, having a great time. God. This feels like a bad idea. Oh my god. The Camry could never.
No.
Oh my god. Okay, so somewhere a wrong turn was taken. Woo! We're off-roading right now. Okay, that was the coolest thing ever to meet her daughter. Here's us together. We took a selfie. It was awesome. And just, she brought us to see their grave. I didn't want to take a picture because I didn't want to be like, you know, don't throw that on the floor, I swear to God. So, yeah, we got to see her grave, Fred's grave, and Doris's grave, who was not in the book, but was one of the children. And she showed us her cabin, which was really cool. It's like a little loft cabin in like the woods, and that was so cool. That was so freaking cool. And she was so nice. And she had a really cute dog. Anything else you want to add?
No, that was it. That was cool.
Yeah, that was so cool.
Leaving chicken. We're in a cloud. With the last 100 miles. No, last like 50 miles. What does this sign say?
Chickaloon wah, wah, wah.
Oh, a historical pack. Are you kidding me? We missed a historical park.
Closed Tuesdays.
Can I say that?
Sutton Bible Church.
Amen. Yes, sir.
There and back again. Big river flows into it. A million times. See when you look for more. What else?
You're gonna like double the sound into that. Voiceovers.
What? Why?
I don't know, I felt like barking. I'm barking up the wrong tree.
Just gonna let you
Yes, sir.
get it all out before we get to the family. Get it all out.
Yes, sir. All tonight. Every time they say something, we have to say, yes, sir.
No, we don't actually.
Yeah. Ooh, what's this? We got an accident up? Oh, no, we got
No,
work.
road
Construction.
work.
What if I go in there the whole time and I'm like this?
Well, that's how you look 50% of the time, so.
Okay. Traffic.
A million faces, a million doors. You'll see when you look for more. I knew I'd remember that. Well, it appears there's some sort of traffic jam and we don't have a choice. We have to go on this road. So it's not like we can just turn around. There is a cop coming. Let's see what's happening. It is a fatality. It's gonna be a while, but we have to go on this road. So I guess we wait.
Okay, do I have to, now I have to say the whole thing all over again? What was the show?
Thing, it wasn't a show.
Look at this.
It was a movie.
These people are freaking from New Hampshire.
Yeah.
And we're sitting here in traffic because there's been some accident. So we're just getting to know fellow New Hampshire people. Isn't that fun?
That's so fun. Okay, so traffic is starting to come from the other side, so...
How long have we been here?
Well, it's 7 o'clock now. We were supposed to be there 15 minutes ago, so we've been here for over an hour.
Which is not bad. Because they said it could be 2 or 3 hours.
Yeah. That was crazy meeting those people from New Hampshire. That was crazy.
Wicked weird. So,
and then we started talking with these people from New Mexico.
The people from New Hampshire are moving here. She's moving here to be a doctor.
And they drove from Maine.
Right, and then a guy from New Mexico is moving up here to live.
So, crazy. Yay! An hour and 15 minutes later. Oh my god. We just passed the scene and John was trying to record it like an uncultured swine. People literally died and you were like, let me take a video. Anyways, we are on the move and we'll be there in about an hour. Alright, we are officially in the part of Alaska that I somewhat recognize. We just passed Eklutna Lake, which Mom and I went to last summer on our way to Denali. We didn't pass the lake, we passed the exit. But yeah. We're like 30 minutes away. So we're like 10 minutes away from the house and John insisted that he had to brush his teeth before meeting these people. Like, I just want to get there. I just want to get there. And he's like, no, gotta brush my teeth. But I was driving down this road and, well, I wasn't driving. We were driving down this road and I was like, this looks like where the moose's tooth is, but I'm not going to say anything until we pass it. And we frickin' passed it and it's like, this is the road that we turned on, like right here to get, and it's like right over there. Already recognizing stuff. I'm such a local. Oh, here comes John. Oh my gosh, we got Sonic on there. We got, what else? Which one? That one's, isn't that one Knuckles? Yeah, and that one's, I know that one's Amy. I don't know that one. Tails. Tails? I think that's Tails. James, come here! James! Hi! Look at you.
There's James.
The camera's on for Halloween.
Mommy went to the games today and pulled out the Halloween.